Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at ArringtonTradings.com, an online investment platform which has become very popular nowadays. We'll explore its fees, features, and most importantly, its regulatory status. Arrington Tradings has been around for a few years, offering trading services for various cryptocurrency stocks, Forex. It's important to note that Arrington Tradings is an unregulated platform, meaning it doesn't have oversight from financial authorities. On the fee side, there seems not much clear regrading this. They take fees as they wish. Sometimes when people trying to invest or withdraw money from this platform, they impose fees as they want. Let's talk about their customer support. If you need help, ArringtonTradings.com claims they offer multiple customer support channels, though we found their customer support is not much responsive as they claim. Now the most important part, their legitimacy. We found from our investigation that ArringtonTradings.com operates as an unregulated platform. This means there's no external oversight to ensure security, transparency, or investor protection. This is a significant risk to consider, especially when dealing with cryptocurrency. Is there any good side of their company? To be honest, we found nothing good about their company except their professional-looking website. But you should know that it is a web front to deceive people. If you have been scammed by this broker already, don't need to be worried. BrokerComplaintAlert.com is here to help you. Contact us and our professionals will provide you with guidance and recovery service recommendations to get help in recovering the lost funds. Our list of scam brokers will also help you to cross-check about any broker before investing. Report your case to us. You will get the link in this video description. Contact us at BrokerComplaintAlert.com.